Starting LinkedIn late and thinking, oh, I'll make that post later, I'll start my LinkedIn journey later. I have made that mistakes and I am here to tell you to do not repeat that mistakes and why you should start your LinkedIn journey today. So hi, my name is Pratiksha and I have managed to make posts that gained over 50k plus impressions and even 1 lakh plus impressions. And today I'll be sharing why and how you should start your LinkedIn journey. Why LinkedIn? LinkedIn helps you build a strong network with the people of your field. जैसे you guys post on Instagram and connect with your friends and family, LinkedIn helps you connect with the people from your field and it helps you grow and make connections with the people you can learn from. Second would be job and internship opportunities. LinkedIn is a great way to find internships and even jobs. There are a ton of opportunities that are there on LinkedIn, and if a person is hiring, they will definitely choose you over someone who doesn't post and is not active on LinkedIn. It helps you stand out. Every HR, every hirer checks your LinkedIn first. It is like a summary of your professional life. So that is why everyone checks your LinkedIn, what you have done from your college, from your school life till now. एंड इंस्टा पे स्क्रॉल करने से अच्छा है कि लिंक्डइन पे करो, कनेक्शंस बिल्ड करो और अपने फील्ड के पीपल के साथ कन्वर्जेशन करो, सम क्वालिटी कन्वर्जेशंस एंड ट्राई टू बिल्ड कनेक्शन, गुड कनेक्शन एंड मे बी गेट सम रेफरल्स फ्रॉम पीपल. Now coming towards how to start and how to set up your account, I will just give an overview to you guys as a for beginner levels, and if you want a step-by-step guide you can comment down and I'll make a full guide video for you guys. Now let's talking about the first thing, that is your profile picture. It is the first thing that everyone sees, so it should be neat and clean with a clear background and you should not upload any selfies. A straight picture of you is always good to go. And then your bio, you should always add what you have achieved, only the main things. Do not write two, three paragraphs and make it a long introduction. Just keep it short and simple. You can also add what are the roles you are looking for and what are the opportunities you are looking for. And then coming towards your education section and experience section, if you have any experience you can add that. You can also add any experiences that you gained in your colleges, like doing any events or being any head of any department or any club. You can add that. And you can always add your 11th 12th and your college degree and everything that in the education section. And after that there are sections for projects and publications. Always add the projects that you have done in your college, doesn't matter what are the topic, and if they match your profile or not, you should always add because it shows that you were active in your college and your career. That were the main things that you needed to do and to set up your account as a beginner. If you want a full guide you can comment down. And yes, do not overthink and feel cringe about posting. Everyone feels cringe and everyone thinks that they are cringe when they are starting, but do not overthink and do not wait for opportunities and do not wait and think that अभी achievements है नहीं, जब हम कुछ achieve कर लेंगे तब हम post करना start करेंगे. नहीं, you can always post your opinions, you can always post your thoughts, or you can also do market research about brands and companies and you can also post that. So do not overthink and just start today. Bye.